don't know what he said. Yo, dude, rad. Ripping. Yo. Yeah, dude. Whoa. Oh, that's slippy. Oh no. Yo. Yeah, man. Oh. Dude. Yo, mate, that is sick. You're rapid as fuck. Dude, that was sick. Mate, that is rad.
Nice. Nice.
Oh, dude.
Nice. I'm being jealous to be fair. Pity that you couldn't join, I'm sorry.
I was like concentrating on you so much and I just like faded off the track at one point. I was like, no shit. I was like pedaling.
But I had the same feeling on the first run because I was like, whoa, and then you... I think it's easier if you go first because then you see what's coming. And
yeah.
you don't have to act like faster than before.
Yeah.
Think about takeoff in the road.
Perfect. It won't be doable, I'd say. And then